I love this bike! We got the Thrashin bars and risers. Look at that. Fuck, dude. I got an alert. Low PSI front tire. Alright, we'll fix that later. So, boys, we got the Thrashin bars and risers installed. I flipped my mirrors. I think it looks great. Only problem is that they're a little canted. I did not, dang dude, I did not, stupidly, I had my daughter, not stupidly, but I had my daughter helping me, and I was more worried about her safety, which, as I should be, but I did not adjust them before torquing them down. So they're a little canted. So I have to go back and fix that. I'm gonna go back and fix that, but yeah, it is what it is. We're gonna give them I test rode it, but I don't know if you guys can tell. You see how it's a little this way, like this needs to be turned a little, and this one needs to be turned a little, and then torqued down properly. But and then I forgot to put the cable, the clutch cable inside, so I'm gonna go do that as well. But for right now, I'm headed to court, and yeah, I like it. It feels good. Oh, it feels real good. So the risers that I took off, they were Harley-Davidson risers, but they were the 6-inch ones, I believe. They had upgraded this bike. They had upgraded the bars and the risers to the Harley-Davidson 6-inch risers and the Moto Bars. So if you guys want, I'll give them to you guys, or you know, if anybody wants them, let me know. If you're in SoCal, I think the risers are like $279 or whatever new, and the bars are like another $200. If any of you guys want them, $100 for the both of them. You know, I'm not looking to make money or anything. $100 for the both of them. You guys can have them, whoever wants them. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those. I just don't want them in my garage, just sitting around. You know, if anybody else can use them, you know, you're more than welcome to them. Just float me $100, and they're all yours. You know, if not, I don't know. I mean, I'll give them away. I don't care, but you know, when I get $100, $100. I think that's fair. $100, $100 for something that's worth like what, $500? Dude, go, man. This is California, man. Jesus, California, stop. Should I go? I'm not gonna go around him. This guy's. This guy's one of those drivers that stays 3 seconds, and look at him, man. Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of them. I have them. They're in excellent condition. Literally, I only rode what, 500 and something miles on them. Excellent condition. Have the original bushings. Have the original mounting hardware. Yeah. So when I was installing, I didn't record the install because my garage is a freaking mess, and I didn't want to put that out there. So anyway, when I was installing it, the thrashing guys told me it was going to take about, I don't know, an hour and a half. But I watched the video. It took them an hour and a half with what? I want to say three people working on it, and they took the top triple tree tree off, or the triple clamp, and it took them about an hour and a half, or I think an hour and 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. So it took me about 3 hours. Yeah, it took me about 3 hours. I like wrenching, and my daughter was helping me out, so take that with a grain of salt. She's 10, so she wanted to screwdriver and all this jazz. She wanted to hang out with Dad, so yeah. It took about 3 hours for me to get it installed. I think if I was doing it on my own, without my daughter, it would have probably took me, I don't know, maybe 2. But, she helped out. I love her. It's great. But I love these bars. I love the bars and the entire setup. I had to flip the mirrors. Now it's just kind of like having me get used to the mirrors not be up here and be down. Dude, my GoPro just turned off on me. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know what the heck is going on. But I don't know. Back to the setup. I love the setup. I don't know if you guys can tell. You can tell this is a little, the left side is a little closer than the right side, because this is canted a little, and it's driving me up a wall. It's driving me nuts, because I'm one of those people, everything has to be precise. Everything is driving me nuts. Now I haven't had a chance to fix it. I put them in on Saturday. It's Monday right now, and Sunday morning I had to go to church, spend some time with the family, clean the house a little bit. But yeah, other than it being canted, I love these bars. The guys at Thrashin did an excellent job with creating these bars and risers. I thought, because I came from the Lucky Dave San Diego bars, and they were like up here, and they were kind of straight. So my hands were like tilted inward, if I'm getting that right. But these bars, the bars feel great. The mid-bend bars, you guys at Thrashin, thumbs up, man. Did a fantastic job at creating these. I'm not sure. I wasn't sure about the entire setup, because I was used to the San Diego bars. But these they work real well. They work real well. I think the Road Glide is my new favorite bike. It feels great. This bike is amazing. I was kind of iffy about it at first, but I love this bike now. I love it. I think I will get the Lowrider ST as my secondary bike, because I still love that bike just for nostalgia. And I think I'll holy crap, I'm going 90. You don't notice you're going fast on this damn bike because the wind doesn't hit you. You don't notice it. Yeah, the wind doesn't hit you, so you don't notice how fast you're going. And then you look down, you're like, damn, I'm going 100. But this bike is my new favorite bike. It's fantastic. I just have to do a little weight reduction. I'm going to get rid of the Tab Performance exhaust, the slip-ons. I'm going to get me some SP Concepts. They're here in Lake Elsinore, a little further south from where I'm at. I live in the valley. So I'm going to go visit them, pick up some lane splitter. I think the lane splitter is badass. Yeah. Let's adjust this a little bit. Yeah, that's good. I love this bike. This feels so great. This feels so great. Yeah. So that's, my arms are perfectly aligned. Perfect. They're a little, like, it's right where my heart is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's literally right where my heart is. So they say that that's the best place for your hand placement, but everybody's different. Everybody's got a different, you know, body. So for me, it's great. It might not be great for you. By the way, I'm using, let me get out of this guy's lane. I'm using the stock seat from Harley, and I gotta say, it is the best seat that I've sat on. I haven't put my ass on a Saddleman, but this feels great. It doesn't hurt my lower back. I got great positioning. My feet feel fantastic. My knees are at 90-degree bend. Fantastic. This bike feels awesome. So, if you guys are in the market for a Road Glide, go out and buy one. Go out and buy one. Your wife called, said, go buy it. Woo! This feels awesome, guys. All right, man. Peace and love. Take care.